Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert a Python file to an executable. All of the code I'll be writing here is also available in GitHub. The first thing we need to do is open up the command prompt if you're on Windows or the terminal if you're on Mac or Linux. Once that's done, we'll need to install a library called pyinstaller. So type pip install pyinstaller and we will install the pyinstaller module. So now we need to go to our project which we need to convert to an executable. So in my case that is cd OneDrive, cd documents and cd to text to. Once that's done, all we need to do is type one command to convert our Python file to an executable. So if I type py installer followed by the name of that Python file, which in my case is main.py, and we can also pass in a few additional parameters like dash dash one file. And what this will do is that it will make sure that our executable is just one single file, and also dash dash name, so that we can give our executable a name which is going to be text to speech. And now if I press enter, it will give us a lot of logs, and after a few minutes or a few seconds, it will finish the process. And now if we open it up with File Explorer, you'll notice that there'll be a couple of extra files. So before running the command, I only had two files, this main.py file and this demo.py file. But after running the command, we have three extra things, this .spec file and these two folders. Inside the dist folder, we'll have an executable, and this is our executable file. So if I run this, I'll have the exact same thing as the Python file. This terminal is just that to make sure that if this app provides any logs, for example, then they'll all be logged here. So it's just a terminal to support the app. And if we close the app, the terminal will also close. And we also have this build folder, which has all of the necessary files to run the executable. And we also have a .spec file, which is just some metadata about the executable. So here we have the Python file main.py. We have the name of the executable, so name, text to speech, and just some data like that. Now that's it. And again, if you just want to copy and paste all the commands, you can find that on the GitHub repository, which I'll be linking below. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.